What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Ososik Media YouTube channel. As you already know, I'm Nick, also known as Ososik. And if you saw my last video, well, thank you for watching. But on top of that, you would have seen that I said I am very excited for this next video to drop, which is this one, because I had some very exciting news for you guys. So if you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, I'm not so active on there anymore, but at least Instagram, TikTok, you would have seen, and obviously some of my other videos, you would have seen that I have a shop. It's called the Ososik eShop. And for those of you who have been subscribed to me since 2006 on this channel, for one, if you're still watching this, huge shout out to you guys. Honestly, email me, because if you've been watching me since that long and you're still here in 2022, I think you deserve another Ososik Media sticker, because that first one you probably got from me is probably faded, peeled, or you probably sold the car already. But if you guys only follow me on here, as you know from the beginning, I've always documented everything. I've always done features, etc., gone to different shops. Well, fast forward to today, or a year ago, technically, I got my own shop. And since then, you know, even since like 5 years ago, I've always had a vision of opening a shop and just doing something different. So here we are, fast forward to today. I'm going to show you everything that I did from when I first got the keys to kind of what it looks like now. And there's honestly, it's a lot, but as always, Ososik Media, I documented everything. And like always, when it comes to my stuff, I'm showing you really late. But aside from that, pretty much the biggest news are, got my own shop, finally updated the website to where now the Ososik eShop is a place where you can get parts, especially parts and from brands and manufacturers that I can vouch for and I've worked with. And also, if you stay tuned to towards the end of this video, you'll see that Daniel Butler and I have partnered on something huge. I'm not gonna say it now because you just gotta watch the video, but once you see it, you'll know Daniel and I partnered on something, and it's gonna be so sick. So everything's just coming together, and aside from that, it's probably a few more changes that I kind of want to make. I'd say this is like 90% of what my vision is. So stay tuned for another video, because I'm gonna get a few more stuff and kind of get it a little more dialed in, and then from there, me and the guys will do a whole tour and just show you guys, you know, just walk through everything and show you guys what we got. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you've been here since 06, I truly appreciate you guys. And even before that, right? Even from 06 to now, honestly, I appreciate every single one of you. For all the new subscribers, thank you guys for tuning in. And again, this isn't just, my life just isn't one car. I am mostly involved around Hondas though, but you know, I have Civics, EGs, CRXs, and this channel is really gonna change directions to where we start building things, and I'm not gonna say everything, but we're gonna start offering what we use in our own builds, and also what we've done with others. I'm fortunate enough to work with a lot of manufacturers, so when we do R&D testing with them and even just developing new stuff for their products, I'm also gonna offer it for you guys as well. So let me know what you guys want to see too, but aside from that, hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's do a little flashback of probably right around a full year now. So hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so this is it. Straight across is the restroom. Obviously it needs some work done, but it's the restroom. So be right there, and then come in, and this is gonna be the shop. Open this up, the garage door. It's gonna have, it has two big bay doors, and
So here it is. I'm only gonna open up one door, but it's on this side, and has like a little divider there. Come across. Has all the electrical. I don't know what they were doing here, but this is like a halfway done extended wall for the office space, but can't really see, there's no light in there. Already open this door so you get some, try to get some light in here. All right, so you kind of see a little bit. Still don't even have lights in here. I need to add some lights. Already got the internet set up. That was like the first thing got set up in here, aside from getting electricity in here. But I'm gonna end up taking this wall out. Not really sure what they plan on doing in here. My only assumption is they wanted to make the office space bigger, but this isn't gonna be an office. This is gonna be just like the waiting room / game room. So whenever I want to take a break from working on cars or taking pictures or videos, just come hang out in here. So I'm gonna take this wall down, put it kind of to how it seems like it originally used to be. Taking that wall down and take down this wall, so that it should open it up. And instead of saying too much more, just stay tuned and keep watching, because I have a vision for all of this. So hopefully it doesn't take me too long to get it all sorted, but it's gonna look a lot different. So I'm excited. Rather than telling you guys, I'm just gonna show you guys. So first steps, knocking that wall down, this wall down, and I already got some machinery ordered. They're just waiting on me to kind of get it up to spec in order to start installing everything. So this is it. And really excited to share with you guys this. So this is it. Really excited to share with you guys the future of the Ososik eShop. I might change the name depending on just how crazy I get as far as working on everybody's cars. As of right now, I'm not open to the public. It's going to be, this is for my personal cars, clients' cars, and kind of just exclusive builds that I'll be handling in here myself, and obviously people that have always helped me with my builds. So, but we'll see. If I do decide to eventually just open it up to the general public, I might be changing the name and just coming up with my own just shop name. But as of now, if you need parts or need anything, get it all online on my website, and it's just going to be under the Ososik eShop section. So can't wait to show you guys what I do here, and all my current builds, and also honestly all my future builds. I have probably like a 5-year plan on what I expect to build in the next 5 years, so it's gonna be pretty exciting. Stay tuned, guys. Go down. Go down.
I'm telling you, don't break your back.
everybody, thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick, also known as Ososik, and today I'd like to officially announce the opening of the Ososik eShop. Let's go for a sick tour. See what the new floor looks like. This made such a huge difference. So crazy. And I did tell them that I only wanted just like the solid color, so that not the little flakes and stuff, but oh my man, getting ready for the dyno. But dude, this thing, it just makes it look so much cleaner. It's all one color. I'm gonna do this tomorrow, but that's seriously like such a night and day difference. Oh man. Now you gotta can respray another coat of white on the walls and then figure out the whole garage door section. But oh my, this came out so sick. It's just gonna look so much better. Now just a few more things to where I could be 90% of my vision. Obviously, I'm not going to do everything because I do not own this building. If they do decide to sell it to me, then I'll definitely, honestly, probably redo a lot of it and make it even better. But this is sick. Like, you know, like cover those holes up there. But oh man, I'm definitely ready for the next phase of what I want to do to kind of fill up this whole eShop and studio. wire tug, but a dyno tug. No, ignore him. Guys, ignore him. Ignore him. He doesn't know how to act. So you don't got to go home, but you got to get out of here. Unless, that is, you're coming back for an install. Hit me up.